Hello guys, welcome to Football Brief. Today we are going to discuss about top 10 trios of all time in football history. Yes, I know most of you been thinking that of number 1, either there will be BBC or MSN. But let me tell you that neither of them are on number 1. To know who stands on top, watch the full video. Let's start. At number 10, we have Alfredo Di Stefano, Francisco Gento and Ferenc Puskas. This player made Real Madrid so unbeatable in 1950s. The club became one of the most valuable football club only because of them. Gento had set a record by acquiring 6 European Cup trophies. He is the first and only player to ever do so. Together, the trio helped Real Madrid win 5 consecutive European Championship titles. At number 9, we have Omar Sivori, John Carles and Giampiero Boniperti. Juventus is one of the best and oldest football club in history. They have produced great players, but none of them could match Omar Sivori, John Carles and Giampiero. These guys were one of the best attacking trios of their generation. The trio made their club one of the giant of Europe. Also, fans call them by nickname like the Jewel Trio of Juventus and El Trio Magico. At number 8, we have great players from Liverpool, which are Mohamed Salah, Roberto Firmino and Sadio Mane. These guys were regarded as one of the best trio in modern football. They also had a great coach, Jurgen Klopp, on their side. These guys scored 250 goals in 4 seasons. They also assisted Liverpool in winning trophies like FIFA World Club Cup, the UEFA Super Cup and the English Premier League. There is again one trio from Premier League which stands in this list at number 5. So stay tuned. At number 7, there are some legendary names like Pele, Jairzinho and Tosato. Brazil was one of the greatest national team of football in 1970s only because of these three. They were the best trio in World Cup history. Pele scored a total of 12 goals in his World Cup appearances. At number 6, there are Xavi, Andre Iniesta and Sergio Busquets. These were indeed one of the best trio in Barcelona. They certainly had the most fans during their time together. If you remember, the most famous playing style named Tiki Taka was started with this trio. They had good vision and great passing skills. They also helped to win the treble for Barcelona in 2008 and the UEFA Champions League in 2015. Moving forward to number 5, we have some big boys: George Best, Dennis Law and Bobby Carlton, legends of Man United. These players were nicknamed the Holy Trinity. They even have a statue of themselves in front of their stadium, Old Trafford. These guys are one of the greatest players Manchester United have ever produced. In 1968, Manchester United became the first English club to win the European Cup, and it was all thanks to these three. And also, the three of them have won the Ballon d'Or. At number 4, we have Brazil's magicians, Rivaldo, Ronaldo and Ronaldinho, the 3 R's of Brazil. They were another good attacking trio created by Brazilian national team. These guys are individually great. In 2002, they won the World Cup and in 1999 they scored 11 goals in 6 games, allowing them to win the Copa America. They once scored 15 goals in just 7 matches. And now, the top 3 trios of all time. At number 3, we have the UCL legends Cristiano Ronaldo, Karim Benzema and Gareth Bale. This trio was named BBC. They were arguably the second best trio in La Liga history. Also, they were individually great. In 2014, they helped Real Madrid score a total of 97 goals, which is one of the biggest. They were also a force behind Real Madrid winning the UEFA Champions League 4 times in a row. At number 2, the Barca's triangle: Lionel Messi, Luis Suarez and Neymar Jr. The trio earned the nickname MSN. They are often considered to be the greatest trio in La Liga history. They scored 122 goals in 2015, topping Madrid's trio by 25 goals. They also won 2 La Liga trophies, the Champions League trophy and the World Club Cup. And the number 1 is the trio of AC Milan: Marco van Basten, Ruud Gullit and Frank Rijkaard. The guys are the greatest soccer trio in history. They are the best illustration of teamwork and unity. AC Milan won 3 Serie A trophies, 2 UEFA Champions League trophies and 2 European Super Cup, all because of the efforts of these men. These guys also set a record by going 58 matches unbeaten in all competitions. So this was the list of top 10 trios in football. Hope so you like this video. Comment down your favorite football trio and don't forget to subscribe.